Did you enjoy this video? Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a big like, and leave a comment for the next part. We can't wait to see what you want to learn next. Welcome to the ABC Magic Factory. Let's start with our first letter. Machine A is starting. A. Oh no! Something funny came out. Is this an apple? This is an apple. A is for apple. A, apple. A and apple are dancing together. A is for apple. A and apple are dancing together. A is for apple. Say it with me. Apple. Great job. Great job with A. Now let's meet our next letter. Machine B is starting. B. Oops! Something funny came out. Is this a banana? This is a banana. B is for banana. B and banana are dancing together. B is for banana. Say it with me. Banana. Well done. Whoa!
Whoa!
Letter C is feeling silly today. Uh-oh.
Machine C is starting.
C. That cat looks silly.
Is this a cat or a cartoon?
Okay. This is a cat. C is for cat. C, cat. Look at them dance. C and cat are dancing together. C is for cat. C is for comment. Please comment on this video. Meow if you like cats. Whoa! Letter D is too fast. Slow down, D. Uh-oh.
Machine D is starting.
That dog is crazy!
Is this a dog or a dancing donut?
Okay. This is a dog. D is for dog. D. Dog. D is for dog. D is for comment. Please comment on this video. Woof if you like dogs. Reboot will introduce resting alphabet machines. Oops. Letter E is feeling slippery today. Let's help E. Uh-oh. Machine E is starting. E. That looks funny. Is this an egg or a toy? This is an egg. E is for egg. E. Egg. Look at them dance. E and egg are dancing together. Bye-bye, egg. E is for egg. Enjoy the video. Please comment and tell us your favorite letter. Whoa! Letter F is flying today. Easy, F. Whoa! Letter F is flying today. Easy, F. Uh-oh. Machine F is starting. F.
Hey! That frog is silly.
Okay. This is a frog. F is for frog. F, frog.
Look at that jump!
F and frog are dancing together.
F is for frog. Whee! I am Frog. If you like jumping fun, subscribe the channel. Ribbit, ribbit. Subscribe. Uh-oh. Letter G is stuck. Hold on, G. Oh, no. Machine G is starting.
Hey! Stop eating! That goat is hungry. Okay. This is a goat. G is for goat. G, goat.
G and goat are dancing together. G is for goat.
Whoa!
Careful, goat.
Bye-bye, goat. G is for goat. See you next letter. Hello. Here comes letter H. Hop, hop, H. Oops. H is flying. Hold tight, H.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That is a hippo.
Hello, hippo. Hey. That's not food. H is for hungry hippo. H, hippo. Hop, hop, hop. Hippo is happy. H and hippo are dancing. H is for hippo. Bye-bye, hippo. See you again. H is for hippo.
Wow!
Look at letter I.
So tall.
I. Hey! Where is I? I can't see I.
Stop. I feel something. Invisible eye.
Yummy! I is for ice cream. Cold and funny. Ice cream. I and ice cream are dancing. I is for ice cream. Uh-oh. So slippery. I and ice cream are dancing. I is for ice cream. Uh-oh. So slippery. That's funny. I is for ice cream. Bye-bye.
Hey, here is letter J. J. J.
Uh-oh. That is jelly. J is for jelly. J, jelly. J and jelly are dancing. J is for jelly. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Machine K. Here comes letter K. K.
मैं सच में बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ। ये वीडियो बनाना आसान नहीं है। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ये वीडियो पूरी बनाऊं, तो बराहे क्रम कमेंट करें। I am really trying my best. Making this video is not easy. If you want me to complete this video, please leave a comment. I am really trying my best. Making this video is not easy. If you want me to complete this video, please leave a comment.
Did you enjoy this video? Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give it a big like and leave a comment for the next part. We can't wait to see what you want to learn next.